How to hide phone number in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide your phone number on Telegram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's begin. So first of all, open up your Telegram and make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, go to the settings option on the bottom right. After you're on your settings, you will then need to head over to your privacy. So go to privacy and security. And after that, you'll find the privacy section. Under there, you'll find phone number. Tap on that and select nobody right there. And also under who can find my number, you can select that on my contacts only. And yeah, that's basically how you hide your phone number on Telegram. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.